Welcome to AURIN, Australia's urban intelligence network. AURIN provides the largest range of diverse research, data and expertise accessible from one website, aurin.org.au. AURIN's infrastructure brings together and unlocks the best information from a network of leading specialists and data agencies across Australia. So why is it important for Australia to have AURIN?
As we're thinking about future, the opportunities for communities, the needs of cities, we try to make decisions based upon knowledge, based upon fact, evidence. Evidence-based decision-making is difficult enough in a straightforward context, but a city isn't straightforward. A city is an enormously complex organism.
We're really dealing with complex problems in the urban environment. How we're going to manage population growth. We could double our population by 2050.
AURIN's a very important project and very timely. It's about getting access to data from a wide range of sources across government, the private sector and researchers from all over the country, integrating those data and then enabling online interrogation of those data.
I regard the sort of data and information that AURIN is putting together as really a part of national infrastructure. To me, data, information is fundamental to good decision making.
AURIN is unique by its nature. It is the only framework where you can have all information relevant to urban systems and their development. Nothing else exists. This is why it is a unique opportunity for Australia.
What I like about AURIN is that it's one spot where I can access data, analyze them, and then display my results. So it's one-fit-all tool in a way.
The key thing about AURIN is it brings data together that's never been brought together before. Now that means we can do all sorts of new analyses to understand the interrelationships between those data that's never been tried before on this scale.
Having access to data enables us to have a much better evidence base to make those decisions and to provide services in a more effective way and to make investments that give a better return to the community.
AURIN has the potential to be the link between all levels of government and linking citizens with governing bodies. Because evidence, because data, because information will be available to everyone and the same kind of information.
AURIN will help design more sustainable urban settlements in the future because we will have a much more comprehensive understanding of the nature of the environment of those urban settlements. So if we understand those elements better, we'll be able to make better decisions for them, better decisions for services, better decisions for investments, and better decisions for the community.
The beauty of AURIN is that I can bring students here and they can learn how to use a geographical information system. They have access to the data, a lot of data and data from many different areas. It's a very rich educational experience. It also provides significant resources to urban researchers in the future.
Firstly, opening up access to the data, which has hitherto been locked away. That's a massive, from a research perspective, that's the holy grail. I mean, it's always the case we have to work with the agencies directly, but the ones we've been tasked to work with, we've overcome that. We've got systems that are interoperating with their systems.
This is finally going to benefit the population of Australia via the researchers, via the policymakers and via the three levels of government.
This is a very new way of approaching things, and it's never been tried before in Australia, and indeed the AURIN project is quite unique in the world in terms of what it's doing.
AURIN can help provide the foundation for the sustainable development of Australia's diverse cities and towns by providing infrastructure for urban researchers, policy analysts and practitioners to access the broadest range of data from a single source. The AURIN e-research infrastructure provides better evidence for decisions that will help enhance prosperity, productivity and community well-being. AURIN, the intelligent way to plan for a thriving urban future.